Hello, I am the new virtual assistant HU590IF1D, but you can simply call me Olivia. You can find the answer for everything you want to learn. It doesn't matter if I'm a robot. I have a big enough processor to answer all your questions. Let's begin. 1. Step. Creating the banner. 1. Download a YouTube standard layout. A YouTube standard layout is a picture that represents where you should place your content and logos in your flag picture. It shows which parts of the picture will be perceptible on cell phones, tablets, personal computers, and TVs. Utilize the accompanying strides to download the Authority YouTube standard layout. 2. Open the Direct Craftsmanship layout in a photograph altering application. The compressed document contains a .psd and a .png record. You can open these documents in Photoshop. On the off chance that you don't have a Photoshop membership, you can download and introduce GIMP, which has comparative highlights to Photoshop and is allowed to download. You can likewise utilize MS Paint or Preview on Mac, however a few highlights may not be accessible in these applications. Utilize the accompanying strides to open the record in Photoshop or GIMP. Right-click either Channel Art Template document. Select Open with. Snap the picture-altering program you need to plan the standard in. Do not worry. I have not finished yet to tell. 3. Familiarize yourself with the format. There are 4 territories of the layout you ought to know about. They are as per the following. Television safe area. Most by far of your YouTube pennant may be visible on a TV screen utilizing a YouTube application. The size of the whole YouTube pennant channel workmanship picture is 2560 pixels wide and 1440 pixels tall. Work area max area. The desktop max territory is the piece of the picture that is perceptible on personal computers utilizing an internet browser. Not everything that goes around there will be visible on tablets or cell phones. This is a tight strip in the focal point of the picture that is 2560 pixels wide and 423 pixels tall. It begins at around 500 pixels from the head of the picture. Tablet safe area. This zone of the picture will be perceptible on tablets, workstations, and TVs, yet not really on cell phones. This region is 1855 pixels wide and 423 pixels tall. It begins at around 350 pixels from the left and right edges inside the desktop max area. Text and logo safe area. This region is distinguishable all gadgets. All content, logos, key pictures, and data ought to go here. This region is 1546 pixels wide and 423 pixels tall. It is in the focal point of the desktop safe area, roughly 510 pixels from the privilege and left edges. If you want, you can stop the video and buy yourself a coffee. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. 4. Add text to your pennant. Utilize the content device in your Picture Manager application to add text to your flag. The symbol takes after a capital N or T in the toolbar to one side or at the top. Snap the content device and snap where you need your content to go. Utilize the menus at the top or to one side to choose the content shading, text style, text dimension, and style. Recollect that any content not set in the text and logo safe area may not be visible on all gadgets. In the event that you are utilizing Photoshop or GIMP, you might need to bolt the layer with the YouTube channel craftsmanship layout. To bolt it, click the layer with the Divert Craftsmanship format in the Layers board in the lower right corner. At that point, click the symbol that looks like a lock, Photoshop, or the symbol that takes after a bolt looking like a cross, GIMP. 5. Add pictures to your standard. You can add pictures to use as a foundation or logo, or whatever else you need to add to your standard. Recollect that any component of the standard you need to be distinguishable ought to go in the text and logo safe area. This incorporates key components of your experience picture. Utilize the accompanying strides to add a picture to your flag as another layer. Snap File in the menu bar at the top. Snap Place, Photoshop, or Open as Layer, GIMP. Select a picture record. Snap Open. Snap and drag the picture layer to move it. 6. Add a foundation shading. Since there are such a significant number of various regions that are a piece of a YouTube flag, a few people decide to make a different foundation for the strip and the center of the strip in the middle that is perceptible on work area and cell phones. You can likewise an inclination or shading change in GIMP or Photoshop. Utilize the accompanying strides to make a shading foundation. Calm down. UWIIL spend more time together. You can tell me everything. Just write a comment. 7. Add whatever else you need. Picture editors have numerous apparatuses that permit you to plan any way you need. You can utilize the brush device to draw or make surfaces. You can likewise make designs in Photoshop and GIMP. This information comes from the deepest part of my memory card. 8. Arrange your layers. After you have included all your content, logos, pictures, hues, designs, and other structure components you need to add to your flag, you'll have to ensure your layers are in the correct request. Snap and drag the layers here and there in the layers board to one side to rework them. Your content and logo layers ought to go on top. Spot any standard pictures, hues, or examples behind the content layers. Spot the foundation layers behind the pennant pictures and examples. 9. Save your picture. It's a smart thought to spare your YouTube pennant in its local document design on the off chance that you have to alter it later on. The local record design for Photoshop is .psd and .xcf for GIMP. Utilize the accompanying strides to spare your work. 2. Step. Uploading the banner to YouTube. 1. Export your standard picture from your picture proofreader. On the off chance that you haven't just done as such, open your YouTube flag in your preferred picture editorial manager. Utilize the accompanying strides to send out the picture. Snap File. Snap Save as or Export as GIMP. Snap Select File Type GIMP only. Select JPEG, JPG, PNG, or GIF as the configuration or document type. Type a name for the picture close to name or file name. Snap Save or Export. 2. Navigate to https://www.youtube.com/ in an internet browser. You can visit your YouTube channel utilizing any internet browser. On the off chance that you are not marked into your YouTube account, click Sign in the upper right corner and sign in with the email address and secret key related with your YouTube account. 3. Click your profile picture. It's in the upper right corner of the YouTube website page. This shows the account menu. 4. Click your channel. It's at the head of the account menu that shows up when you click on your profile picture. This shows your YouTube channel. 5. Click Customize Channel. It's the principal blue catch at the top for the page when you see your YouTube channel. On the off chance that you as of now have a pennant, it will be beneath the flag. 6. Click Add Channel Workmanship or the pencil symbol image named Android 7 edit.png. On the off chance that you have never added channel craftsmanship to your channel, a default flag shows up at the top for the page with a blue catch in the inside that says Add Channel Workmanship. Snap this catch to include channel workmanship. On the off chance that you as of now have channel craftsmanship for your channel, place your mouse cursor over the standard to show the pencil symbol in the upper right corner of the pennant. Snap the pencil symbol. 7. Click Select a photograph from your PC. It's the blue catch in the focal point of the window. This opens a document program you can use to peruse picture records on your PC. 8. Select your YouTube pennant channel workmanship and snap open. This transfers the photograph to YouTube. At the point when it transfers, you will see a C window that shows how the picture looks on changed gadgets. 9. Click Select. It's the blue catch in the lower left corner of the window. This spares the picture as the pennant for your YouTube channel. This video is finished, but there are a lot of videos on the home page. I'm going to charge. See you in the new video.